So it is time to prune my roses, and in this video I'm going to divide it in two different sections. The first section would be my answers to different... Oh my gosh! Did you see this? I can't believe it. Today I was outside, I was trying to film the cutting of my roses, and the tripod started falling. And you know the feeling when you see it happening and you realize that you're far away to be able to run and catch that camera. So I saw it in the whole slow motion, how my camera just hit the floor. So here it is. Look at this. The lens is twisted. There is a damage to the lens. So we have a very good store in next village, Milford photo store, and they do the repairs. So I went there and I was hoping, oh my gosh, they would be able to fix it, hopefully. No, they cannot. They have to send it out to New Jersey to the Sony repair center. The shipping and possible repairs estimate can be several $100s. The camera itself is around $780, something like that. So we have two options. Basically, I had two options. Either send this camera for repairs, not knowing if there would be repair parts. Wait 3-4 weeks would be 2-3-4 weeks to wait, or to buy a new camera, which is available right there to buy tomorrow. So I decided to possibly thinking about buying the camera and asking you guys to contribute to this purchase. I know at the beginning I didn't want to ask for money, but then I decided to be humble about it. So please, if you can contribute to any amount you can towards the purchase of the new camera, I would be able to go and buy that camera from that store and continue filming. Otherwise, it is around 3 weeks, and now is the time to trim all my roses, so I am going to miss that. The best way to support the purchase of this camera would be to find thanks button under the video. So when you look under the video, it can be right under, or you have to click 3 dots button, and that heart sign would be there. And basically when you press that heart thank you, you would be able to process all the donations. Right now I'm filming on my iPad. Excuse for the sound. I don't have the equipment, I don't have microphones to go with the iPad to film outside. So whatever you can contribute, please do, but there is no pressure whatsoever if you cannot. And please do understand that there will be no videos for a while if I cannot buy this camera. But if I can, I will be filming my trimming of all my roses pretty soon. I thank you in advance for your support. I don't know when I will see you around on my YouTube channel, but I hopefully will see you soon. And again, happy gardening.